days are getting warmer, it can be a really great idea to start your day off with a fresh juice. With tomorrow morning being Monday, a lot of us, me in particular, have been enjoying a lot of treats over the course of the weekend, and in order to reset the digestive system, get everything boosted up, get the metabolism going again, it can be a really great way to just start with a fresh juice and nothing else. So my recommendation for a juice at this time of year is to have 2 carrots, a quarter to a half of a bulb of fennel, depending on how big the bulb is, a good sized dessert apple, and then if you haven't got any fennel, then you can substitute that with 2 celery sticks, and then added to that a centimetre piece of fresh ginger, or 4 or 5 decent sized basil leaves. Now, I've spoken in a couple of other videos about the benefits of ginger and basil, which you might like to check out if you haven't already. They're really great to be using this time of year. And the thing is with adding either of those to the juice, what they're doing is they're giving some heat to the juice. So when we juice vegetables, obviously all of the cellulose structures in those fruits and vegetables are broken down, which makes generally a lot of the vitamins and minerals more available to us to be assimilated more quickly. But in order to help the digestive system further and to take out the coldness, if you like, of the raw vegetables, it's nice to add ginger or basil. So that makes our juice, and then you can further beef that up if you like by either adding I like sometimes to add a teaspoon of spirulina powder or other kinds of powders. Spirulina is particularly good for iron, and after you use it for a few days you can notice the whites of the eyes tend to become quite a lot clearer. It really supports the blood. So when we've actually got our juice, the next thing from an Ayurvedic perspective is how you actually drink it. So a few tips from the world of Ayurveda, what we suggest is to drink it slowly and to take a mouthful and almost to have that sensation or feeling of slightly chewing it, which sounds a bit weird, but the thing is what we're doing is we're again encouraging and promoting the digestive system and really signalling that it's not just a drink. This is something more than that. It's more like a food, and then this will help to break down and absorb all the great nutrients that are in it, but then also give this sensation and feeling of being fuller. And then this will carry us through the course of the morning and hopefully take you through till lunchtime.